This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry in 2 days using an easy method. To start, dedicate the first day to grasping foundational principles. Spend about 4 to 5 hours actively engaging with the material. Focus on understanding the why behind reactions and formulas rather than just memorizing them. Organize your study space and have all your resources, such as notes and a periodic table, readily available. This initial setup is crucial for efficient learning. On day 1, dive deep into core concepts. Spend about 1 hour on atomic structure and bonding, then another hour on balancing equations and stoichiometry. Dedicate 90 minutes to understanding acid-base chemistry and introductory organic chemistry. Remember to take short breaks, around 10 to 15 minutes every hour, to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Active recall and problem-solving during this phase are key to solidifying your understanding. For day 2, the emphasis shifts to practice and review. Start with a 20-minute recap of everything you covered yesterday. Then, dedicate 3 to 4 hours to solving as many practice problems as possible. Work through at least 20 to 30 different problems, focusing on the types that challenge you most. Use flashcards for quick recall of essential formulas, definitions, and reaction types. This active application reinforces your learning significantly. To finalize your preparation, spend the last 90 minutes on a comprehensive review. Try to complete a short practice test or a set of 20 mixed questions to simulate exam conditions. Quickly revisit any areas that still feel a bit shaky. Remember, consistent effort over these 2 days builds a strong foundation. Trust in your hard work and approach your chemistry assessment with a calm and confident mindset. You've put in the effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.